Jinan Loc Intelligent Equipment Company Limited is famous in fiber laser equipment and located in Jinan City, Shandong Province. Our company integrates the R&D, sale and maintenance services. We depend on high-tech and high-quality products to build the strength brand, Loc Laser. Our main products: fiber laser sheet cutting machine, high-precision fiber laser cutting machine, laser tube cutting machine, large format laser cutting machine, laser welding machine, etc. Our machines have received certification by CE and ISO 9001. About the service, our machines provide 3 years warranty and lifetime technical support, and we have a professional team responsible for after-sales services. If the machine has a problem, please don't worry. We will be responsible for your question. Our machines exported to more than 100 countries and regions like the United States, Canada, Poland, Russia, Egypt, Dubai, India, Chile, Australia, Southeast Asia, and etc. We are sincerely looks forward to working with you to create greater value. And we always believe that quality is our culture. Customer service is our aim. Surely, our factory also accepts OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. Give us a change, we will earn your trust.